Good job. Okay, so what is this a picture of?
A cupcake.
What is this a picture of, Julian? Right here.
A cupcake.
A cupcake. So, cupcake. C for cupcake. Circle the C.
C like cat.
C like cat. Perfect. Good job.
Mommy.
Juju. Julie. Is this a C? That's not a C. That's D for daddy. Is this a C?
Yeah.
Yes. Circle the C. How did Mama tell you to hold your pencil on the bottom? So you can get a nice dark mark. Perfect. Okay, now, this one is, what is this a picture of? This one's a little hard.
But
You want to start this one? Okay, so this is what?
window.
A window. Window. W for window. Circle the W.
This.
Perfect.
W.
What is this one?
Butterfly.
A butterfly.
Hey, we already did this one and this one.
Yeah, but they're just letters to try to confuse you. Butterfly.
Hey.
Butterfly. B for butterfly. Circle the B.
This one or this one?
Which one's B?
Mom, it's a B.
Okay, then circle it.
D. Mom, what's this?
That's a C, you're right, Juju. This is a vest.
T.
So, vest. Vanessa. Which one's
Vanessa, right here.
V? Perfect.
Mommy, got the
Okay, what is this a picture of?
turtle.
A turtle. So, turtle. Tiger.
Mommy, the
T. Perfect. What is this a picture of?
A wall.
A wall or a fence?
A fence. Mom, what's this called?
Fence.
A boat.
Faven.
Mom, what's
Good.
that?
Mama's so proud of you, handsome.
Mom,
What is this a picture of?
That.
A sandbox. So, sand. Snake. S. High five. Woo! My baby's so smart. Are you proud of yourself? Why? You should be very proud of yourself, Ave. Mama's proud of you.